Hi all and welcome back to GCSE Science Simplified. We've talked before about how your body is a fortress. Most of the time it's calm, the gates are closed and the guards are relaxed, but outside pathogens are always trying to get in. In today's episode, we're going to learn about how we train those guards in advance and why some medicines work on bacteria but completely fail against viruses. By the end of the episode, you'll be able to explain how vaccination prepares the immune system, why memory lymphocytes are the real heroes, and why antibiotics only work on bacteria, not viruses. Let's start with immunisation. Imagine training for a fire drill. You practice the escape routes, you hear the alarm, you learn what to do. But there's no real fire. That's exactly what immunisation is. In biology terms, immunisation involves introducing an inactive or harmless form of a pathogen into the body. This inactive pathogen still has antigens on its surface. Those antigens are the faces your immune system recognises. Once the inactive pathogen enters the body from the vaccine, the immune system detects the antigens. This causes white blood cells to respond, and B lymphocytes produce antibodies that are a specific shape to match those antigens on the vaccine. Crucially, memory lymphocytes are now made. This first response is slow, and your body might respond by feeling tired or an ache. That's normal. Your immune system is learning how to fight this inactive pathogen. Now, fast forward months, years, even decades later. If the real pathogen enters your body, memory lymphocytes recognise the antigen immediately. Now, antibodies are produced much faster. The pathogen is destroyed before the symptoms even develop. This is why vaccinated people don't get ill, or at least have much milder symptoms. The fortress have guards who have seen that intruder before, and they don't hesitate. They wipe it out. That's the secondary immune response, and examiners love that phrase. So, immunisation doesn't just protect one person. When lots of people are vaccinated, the pathogens struggle to spread. This means people who are vulnerable are protected, and outbreaks become much less common. This is why diseases like measles drop dramatically after a vaccination program. Vaccines train the immune system without causing the disease. Now let's switch to antibiotics. This is where students often slip up. Antibiotics only work against bacterial infections. But why? Because antibiotics target bacterial cell processes, such as a cell wall formation or protein synthesis. Bacterial cells are different from human cells. That's why antibiotics can damage bacteria without harming you. Viruses are different, however. They're not cells, they're much smaller. They reproduce inside your cells. Now, viruses don't have cell walls, ribosomes, or an independent metabolism. So antibiotics have nothing to attack. This is why antibiotics don't treat the flu. They don't treat COVID-19. And misusing antibiotics actually increases your antibiotic resistance. That last point matters, and it comes up a lot in exams. So, wrapping this up, let's lock it in. Immunisation uses inactive pathogens. Antigens trigger the antibody production in your body, and our memory lymphocytes remember and provide a long-term protection against whatever we've been vaccinated against. Moving on, antibiotics target bacterial cell processes. This is why they work on bacteria, but viruses are different. Antibiotics don't work on viruses. Your body doesn't just fight disease, it learns, remembers, and prepares. Thanks for listening. This has been GCSE Science Simplified.